Namaste, welcome back to Siddha channel. You are watching AWS Card Clash, which is an architecture design game. So far, we have finished 5 levels or 5 architecture designs. Today, we are going to do our 6th one, which is about image search. In an event-driven architecture, use AWS serverless services to label images. Use Amazon OpenSearch service to search images. So the services that we are going to use as part of this comprehend, we used it in the last one as well. OpenSearch service for searching, and then Lambda, recognition, S3 and SQS. These are all serverless services. And we do have a security card, which is IAM. So let's start the game. Are you guys doing it along with me? If so, let me know in the comments. How are you doing? Are you enjoying it or is it boring? Let me know in the comments what you feel. Okay, he's already playing. Okay, my turn. Thank you. So let's look at the architecture quickly, and for some reason they are they mentioning this anyways. So documents bucket, yes, 3, and then they are JPEG files. Only for JPEG files, I think we are going to use a particular service. As you can see, you will use Lambda, I am assuming, to trigger the text detection. What service would that be? A machine learning service. Since this is going to be an image, if you want to extract text from an image, what service will you use? Yes, recognition. So here you will have the recognition, but you will trigger it through Lambda. So Lambda will be here. And then you have a queued bucket. So I think once you extract the text, you are going to send the text or write it to maybe S3. And then as soon as you put that in that file, I guess it will be added to the SQS queue, that notification. And then you will put that in the queue, add to SQS queue. What is this? Lambda again. Here SQS queue. This guy already placed a Lambda here. And finally, OpenSearch will come here, and sentiment analysis we are going to use comprehend. So that's how it looks like. So go back. Let's play our energy card, which is cloud formation. So we got 6. What do we have? OpenSearch we have, so we can go ahead and put it 3. Why did I put it? Because I can protect it. And even though we have S3, which we can put, we don't have anything to protect, so I will scrape it. We will get S3. S3 is a common card. So this guy always gets energy. See, I said Lambda comes there, another Lambda comes here. The thing is, he didn't protect either of this. We can steal it. And I already told you several times, whenever you get a chance, steal it. We already placed OpenSearch. We don't need it. So we have 5 points. One, you can place this here, but I don't have any protection. Security card. I can steal his Lambda, but I don't have a security card. So I will just grab it. It's okay. Let's end it. It's better not to put anything than putting something and he's stealing it. See, this guy has 7 energy. See, he would have easily stolen the Lambda if I put it there. Good, we didn't. Again, we didn't get energy cards much. I'm not going to put anything. You know why? Because Miss Gorilla is going to attack in the next round, so they will be destroyed. That's okay. No worries. He has 6. We don't have to get scared. We have enough energy. See that? Now see. Oh, only that? I thought at least this will be gone. Okay, we got to. So now we are going to steal his recognition. Oh, oh, this is comprehend. Never mind. Oh my goodness. I got mistook. I think we got one foul. SQS is 3, so let's put that. Let's protect it. And let's steal his. I know I can put it there, but I will steal his. I will protect it. By stealing, as I mentioned, he will have minus, we will have plus. That is better than. I didn't place this recognition. I should have, but I was busy stealing his stuff. Next round we will do that. And we are almost out of energy. And okay, thank you. I don't need this. I can use this, but I don't have any protection. I can steal his, but again, I don't have any protection. He will steal it back. If I steal his, he will steal it back. What should we do? This is a common guard. Throw it out. Lambda. If I put, he will steal it. Useless. I won't play. Yeah, he should have. If I stolen that, he would have stolen mine. Miss Gorilla will attack next round, I guess. Okay, let's put this here. Comprehend. He still didn't protect it, so let's steal it because now we can protect it. Oh, we only have two, and the recognition is three, so I'm not going to place it. And all of mine are protected, so I'm good. Yeah, see? Come on, attack. Oh, he didn't attack next round? No, 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 no. If he has a lambda, he will place it. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness. Okay, destroy. He is this one. Come on, this Miss Lambda is match fixing with him. Okay, now I will steal his recognition. Then I will protect it. Not enough energy? What? Just one, right? Yeah. What? What do you mean by cannot? Okay, what is going on? Did I not use this one? Maybe. I don't know what went wrong there. Let's hope we don't have Lambda if he finishes the game. That's fine. I guess we'll. Now finally he learned. He protected his. Come on, no energy cards. You see that? What will I do with this if I don't have energy cards? Oh, he protected that as well. Very bad. Okay, if we get Lambda, we'll finish the game this turn. Oh yeah, we have got plenty of Lambdas. I think that's about it. And we'll also get 3 stars because it's more than 65%. So this is our architecture diagram. As I mentioned, we will get the image files in the S3 bucket, and then that is going to trigger our Lambda, and that Lambda is running text detection using recognition, and also the uh, detected text is going to be returned to S3 bucket, and as soon as you write it to bucket, it is going to uh, send a notification or trigger Lambda, and Lambda is going to write that to SQS queue, and again you are going to use Lambda, or SQS queue will trigger Lambda to process the messages, and then this Lambda is going to use what was this comprehend to do sentiment analysis, and the results it is sending it to what? OpenSearch to searching the metadata, I guess. Wow. So the math summary, we won 2 times, and as you can see, we got 79%, so 3 stars. I spent a lot of energy then, and I stole his 3 times in the game. So that's about it for this round or for this level. I hope you enjoyed this image search architecture. If you do, you know what to do. Destroy that, subscribe, like, comment, and enable that notification bell icon so that you will know when I upload these videos. And thank you for spending your time here. All the best for your exam in case if you are writing any AWS certification exam or any other certification exam to that matter. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.